Hi all. In today's webcast, we will talk about data flow from order management to service contract. To begin with, I will create a sales order and I will progress it all the way to service contract. So create a order header, enter the order line information. For my case, I have a AS54888 as a product item. So in my example, I will have a warranty item which is associated with the bill of material for AS54888. Apart from that, I will order an extended warranty for 1 year for my product. So I have a product item. I will enter the service line which is extended warranty. Then I will provide the reference for this service item. So whenever we enter a service item, we have to provide the reference of the product line. Product line can be on the same order, different order, or it could be at the is already installed on the customer side. In that case, we provide the install base reference. So in my case, I will provide the reference of the line 1.1. So in my case, the service line and the product line are on the same order. So I am providing the reference for details for the service item. So when we are entering the service item, we need not to provide the service start date and end date. System will automatically populate it when we ship the product. So once I am done with my order, I booked the order, I did the pick release. Now once I did the pick release, I have to do the ship confirm. So once I'm done with the ship confirm, I run the workflow background process. No, let's do one thing. Let's not run the workflow background process. Let's do the ship confirm and then query for the order. Once I query for the order in the service contract module, what I can see is a service contract has been created for my order. If you look into that, this service contract is for the free warranty, which was a part of the product, and it is not for the extended warranty. As you can see, the status is active. Start date if of the contract is same as the ship confirm date, and the amount is 0 because this is a free warranty which come as a part of the product. Once this is done, go back and run the workflow background process and let's go. Okay, this is what I did earlier, the ship confirm. So once I run the workflow background process, I query the same order in the service contract. Then I can see two contracts has created, one for 4049 and is 050. So 049 is for the free warranty and 050 for the extended warranty which I bought, and the amount for that is 481. If you explore further the warranty item, service contract for the warranty item, you can get the more details. And as if you go back to the sales order workbench, you can see the service start date and service end date for the extended warranty is also populated. Now let's add another item. So I created another item 2.1 for the same product and the quantity 5. And then in the line 4.1, I enter the service line. So if I try to progress the order by providing the reference number 6666, system will throw me an error. It says service duration is required. Now the order is booked, so I have to edit the service duration. Once I provide the service duration and try to save the order, system will again throw me an error, because what I'm doing is I am ordering a service of quantity 1 and I am referring to the line 2.1 which has a quantity 5. So this is wrong. System will not let me save the order. Rather, it will automatically update the quantity to 5 and then I can save the order. And once I save the order, I do the pick release and ship confirm, and if I come back to the service contract and query for the same order, now I can see still I have a 2 service contract, but for the contract number 050, I can see the amount has been updated. Let's further drill down this contract. Now I can see the 2 lines in the service contract. One for the line 1.1.1, and other is belongs to the line 2.1.1 in the order management. As you can see, the first line of the service contract has a subtotal of 450 and other is 2250. Now let's go to the service contract module and look for the contract number 22050. So this is my contract header. That's my contract header details, and I have a parties. I have a billing, a renewal, administration. And if I look into the lines of the service contract, I can see that two lines. And both the start date is 26 April 2015. And if you look into the amount, one is for 450, another is 2250, because this is for the quantity 1 and this is for the quantity 2. Now I highlighted the line number 2, and if I look into the effectivity tab, sub tab, I can see this is for the order 2.1. That's about the flow of data from order management to service contract. In case you need any additional information, what database table we hit and all, feel free to write me at sgupta@bizinsightinc.com or leave a comment on the blog. Thank you very much.